In a world where the sky was a canvas, birds painted their journey with wings of hope. "Why do we fly so far?" asked a young bird. "To find warmth and food," replied the elder. As they soared, they faced storms and fatigue. "Keep going," encouraged the leader, "for beyond the clouds lies our destiny." They flew over mountains and seas, guided by stars. "We fly to survive," whispered the wind. Finally, they reached a land of abundance. "We made it," cheered the flock. Their journey was a testament to resilience and the pursuit of a better life. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.